grain. So rye bread, if you've ever had rye bread, that's where this would come from. So they're all going to mature and get bigger, but that's the rye in its young state.
Yeah, you can take a head along with you.
No, the other way.
You can take that with you.
In the winter, we feed what to cows?
Hey.
Hay. You know what's amazing about this? If you don't let it dry properly, it'll cause a fire all by itself.
What?
It's called spontaneous combustion. So one of the things you should do when you're back in your science class is look up spontaneous combustion.
Whale water?
Well,
Wow, there's no chlorine. That's why it tastes different.